Okay, so I just got my Tevo Tarantula. This is a large bed version with auto levelling, and unfortunately I got stung for import tax, but I'm not too bothered about that. It's still the biggest bed 3D print you can get for the price. So come via UPS from China. Came within 3 days, which I was quite impressed. It was dispatched on the Saturday, and I've received it on the Monday. So I would say that is pretty good, really. I bought this from eBay, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with how fast it came. I thought I was going to be waiting weeks. That is the only trouble. If it comes via UPS, you're going to get stung for import tax. If it comes on the slow boat from China, you won't. So this was declared for 119 US dollars. Okay. And I had to pay in tax £34.23. So this is just in case anybody else is thinking about getting one and thinking they're not going to get done for taxes. If it comes via UPS, you most definitely will do. There's not much that gets through the net at UPS. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.